If you feel tired after eating, struggle with sudden hunger, or experience intense sugar cravings, your blood sugar is likely spiking and crashing all day without you realizing it. The right foods can change that completely. In this video, you'll discover 11 powerful, everyday foods that slow sugar absorption, improve insulin response, and help you maintain steady energy from morning to night. These foods don't require extreme dieting, just smart choices. And make sure you stay until the end, because food number 6 surprises almost everyone, yet it plays a massive role in blood sugar stability. Let's start with food number 1. Number 1. Chia seeds. Chia seeds are one of the most powerful natural tools for stabilizing blood sugar, largely because of their extremely high soluble fiber content. When chia seeds come into contact with liquid, they expand and form a thick, gel-like substance in the digestive system. This gel dramatically slows down the digestion of carbohydrates and delays the release of glucose into the bloodstream. Instead of sharp spikes followed by energy crashes, blood sugar rises gradually and remains stable for longer periods. This slow absorption process reduces the demand on insulin and helps prevent the roller coaster effect that leads to fatigue, cravings, and overeating. Beyond fiber, chia seeds contain a unique balance of plant-based protein and healthy omega-3 fats, both of which play a direct role in improving insulin sensitivity. Protein slows gastric emptying, while omega-3 fatty acids reduce chronic inflammation, one of the hidden drivers of insulin resistance. When inflammation is lower, your cells respond better to insulin, allowing glucose to move efficiently from the bloodstream into the cells where it's used for energy. This makes chia seeds especially valuable for people who struggle with insulin resistance, prediabetes, or frequent blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. Chia seeds also support long-term blood sugar control by improving gut health and appetite regulation. The soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which are closely linked to better glucose metabolism and hormonal balance. At the same time, the gel-forming nature of chia seeds promotes fullness and reduces hunger hormones, helping you naturally eat less without feeling deprived. When consumed regularly, especially as part of breakfast or alongside carbohydrate-rich meals, chia seeds create a protective buffer against blood sugar spikes, making them one of the smartest foods you can include for all-day blood sugar stability. Number 2. Chicken breast. Chicken breast is one of the most effective foods for stabilizing blood sugar because of its high-quality protein content and very low impact on glucose levels. Protein slows the digestion of carbohydrates and significantly reduces how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream after a meal. This means fewer blood sugar spikes and a much more stable insulin response. Unlike meals built around refined carbohydrates, chicken-based meals provide long-lasting energy and help prevent the sudden crashes that trigger hunger, irritability, and sugar cravings later in the day. Beyond its immediate effects on digestion, chicken breast plays a crucial role in improving insulin sensitivity over time. Muscle tissue is one of the primary places where glucose is stored and used, and adequate protein intake supports muscle maintenance and growth. The more metabolically active muscle you have, the more efficiently your body can handle blood sugar. By supporting lean muscle mass, chicken breast indirectly improves your body's ability to regulate glucose and maintain balanced insulin levels throughout the day. Chicken breast also helps regulate appetite hormones that directly influence blood sugar stability. High-protein meals increase satiety hormones while suppressing hunger hormones, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking between meals. This appetite control reduces frequent insulin spikes caused by constant grazing on sugary or refined foods. When included consistently, especially at breakfast or lunch, chicken breast helps create a stable metabolic environment where blood sugar remains balanced, energy stays steady, and cravings are kept under control. Before we move to the next food, please make sure to like the video. Number 3. Broccoli. Broccoli is one of the most effective vegetables for stabilizing blood sugar because it is naturally low in carbohydrates and exceptionally high in fiber. Fiber slows down digestion and delays the absorption of glucose into the bloodstream, preventing sharp spikes after meals. This steady release of sugar helps keep insulin levels balanced and protects you from the rapid crashes that lead to fatigue and cravings. Because broccoli adds volume without adding excess calories or carbs, it allows you to Eat satisfying portions while keeping blood sugar levels under control. What truly sets broccoli apart is its high concentration of sulforaphane, a powerful plant compound that directly supports insulin function. Sulforaphane has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation, both of which are critical for long-term blood sugar control. Chronic inflammation interferes with the body's ability to use insulin efficiently, leading to glucose buildup in the bloodstream. By reducing this inflammation at the cellular level, broccoli helps your body manage blood sugar more effectively, especially in people with insulin resistance or unstable glucose levels. Broccoli also supports blood sugar balance by improving gut health and overall metabolic efficiency. The fiber in broccoli feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in glucose metabolism and hormone regulation. A healthier gut improves how your body responds to insulin and reduces blood sugar variability throughout the day. When broccoli is eaten regularly, especially alongside protein or carbohydrate-containing meals, it acts as a protective buffer, smoothing out glucose responses and helping maintain steady energy, better focus, and fewer cravings from morning to night. Number 4. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is an excellent food for stabilizing blood sugar because it is naturally high in protein while being very low in carbohydrates. Protein slows the digestion process and significantly reduces how quickly glucose enters the bloodstream after eating. This prevents sharp blood sugar spikes and helps keep insulin levels steady. Unlike sugary snacks or refined carbohydrates that cause rapid rises and crashes in blood sugar, cottage cheese provides a slow, steady source of energy that supports long-lasting fullness and metabolic balance. One of the key benefits of cottage cheese is its content of slow-digesting proteins, which provide a sustained release of amino acids over several hours. This extended digestion time helps stabilize blood sugar between meals and reduces the likelihood of energy dips, especially in the afternoon or evening. By keeping insulin demands low and steady, cottage cheese supports better glucose control throughout the day. This makes it especially useful as a snack or light meal for people who experience frequent hunger or blood sugar fluctuations. Cottage cheese also plays an important role in appetite regulation, which directly impacts blood sugar stability. High-protein foods increase satiety hormones and suppress hunger signals, making it easier to avoid unnecessary snacking on sugary or processed foods. When cravings are reduced, insulin spikes become less frequent, allowing blood sugar to remain balanced for longer periods. Consuming cottage cheese regularly, especially paired with fiber-rich foods, can help create a stable eating pattern that supports consistent energy, improved focus, and healthier blood sugar control. Number 5. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are one of the smartest carbohydrate choices for stable blood sugar because they provide energy in a slow, controlled way. Unlike refined carbohydrates that rapidly break down into glucose, sweet potatoes contain a high amount of fiber that slows digestion and delays sugar absorption into the bloodstream. This gradual release of glucose helps prevent sharp spikes and sudden crashes, allowing blood sugar levels to remain steady for longer periods. When eaten in proper portions, sweet potatoes fuel the body without overwhelming insulin response. Beyond fiber, sweet potatoes are rich in antioxidants and micronutrients that directly support insulin function. Compounds such as beta-carotene help reduce oxidative stress, which is known to interfere with insulin sensitivity. When insulin sensitivity improves, glucose can move more efficiently from the bloodstream into cells where it's used for energy rather than stored as fat. This makes sweet potatoes especially beneficial for people who experience energy dips after meals or struggle with blood sugar fluctuations. Sweet potatoes also support blood sugar balance by improving satiety and reducing cravings. Their natural sweetness satisfies carbohydrate cravings without triggering the intense sugar highs caused by processed foods. At the same time, their fiber content promotes fullness, helping reduce overeating and unnecessary snacking later in the day. When paired with protein or healthy fats, sweet potatoes become even more effective at stabilizing blood sugar, making them a reliable, nutrient-dense carbohydrate option for all-day energy and glucose control. Number 6. Peanut butter. Peanut butter is often misunderstood when it comes to blood sugar, but when eaten the right way, it can be a powerful stabilizing food. It is rich in healthy fats and contains a moderate amount of protein, both of which slow digestion and reduce the speed at which carbohydrates are absorbed into the bloodstream. This slower absorption prevents sudden blood sugar spikes and helps maintain a more balanced insulin response after meals. Unlike sugary spreads, natural peanut butter supports steady energy rather than rapid highs and crashes. Another key benefit of peanut butter is its ability to improve appetite control, which plays a major role in blood sugar stability. Healthy fats increase satiety hormones and delay stomach emptying, helping you feel full for longer periods. This reduces frequent snacking and emotional eating, both of which contribute to repeated insulin spikes throughout the day. When hunger is controlled, blood sugar remains more stable, and energy levels stay consistent from one meal to the next. Peanut butter also supports long-term blood sugar balance by helping reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. It contains beneficial fatty acids and plant compounds that support metabolic health. The key is choosing natural peanut butter made only from peanuts, without added sugars or hydrogenated oils. When paired with fiber-rich foods or protein, peanut butter acts as a buffering agent, smoothing glucose responses and making it easier to maintain stable blood sugar levels all day long. Number 7. Quinoa. Quinoa is one of the best grain options for stable blood sugar because it digests more slowly than refined grains. Its high fiber content slows the release of glucose into the bloodstream, helping prevent sharp spikes and sudden energy crashes. This steady digestion supports balanced insulin levels and more consistent energy after meals. What makes quinoa especially effective is that it also contains complete plant-based protein. Protein further slows digestion and reduces the blood sugar impact of carbohydrates, helping you feel full for longer and reducing cravings between meals. This combination of fiber and protein makes quinoa far more blood sugar friendly than most grains. Quinoa also supports insulin function thanks to its magnesium content, a mineral involved in glucose regulation. When used as a replacement for refined carbs and paired with protein or healthy fats, quinoa provides steady energy and helps maintain stable blood sugar throughout the day without deprivation. Number 8. Apples. Apples are a smart fruit choice for stable blood sugar because they are rich in soluble fiber, especially pectin. This fiber slows digestion and delays the release of sugar into the bloodstream, helping prevent rapid spikes after eating. When apples are eaten whole, rather than as juice, their natural sugars are absorbed gradually, supporting steadier blood glucose levels. Apples also support insulin function by improving gut health. The soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria, which play a key role in glucose metabolism and hormonal balance. A healthier gut helps the body respond more efficiently to insulin, reducing blood sugar fluctuations throughout the day. In addition, apples help control appetite due to their fiber and water content, which increase fullness and reduce cravings between meals. When paired with protein or healthy fats, apples become even more effective at maintaining steady energy and balanced blood sugar from morning to night. Number 9. Tuna. Tuna is an excellent food for stabilizing blood sugar because it is extremely high in protein and contains virtually no carbohydrates. Protein has minimal impact on blood glucose and helps slow the digestion of other foods eaten in the same meal. This reduces post-meal blood sugar spikes and supports a steadier insulin response. Tuna also provides omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. Lower inflammation allows insulin to work more efficiently, helping glucose move from the bloodstream into cells for energy instead of lingering in circulation. In addition, tuna promotes appetite control by increasing satiety and reducing hunger between meals. Fewer cravings mean fewer insulin spikes throughout the day. When paired with fiber-rich vegetables or healthy fats, tuna supports steady energy and balanced blood sugar from morning to night. Number 10. Dark chocolate. Dark chocolate can support blood sugar stability when it's high quality and consumed in moderation. Unlike milk chocolate, dark chocolate with 85% cocoa or higher contains very little sugar and has a much lower glycemic impact. This means it does not cause rapid spikes in blood glucose when eaten in small amounts. Dark chocolate is rich in polyphenols and flavonoids, powerful plant compounds that help improve insulin sensitivity. These compounds support better glucose uptake by cells and reduce inflammation, both of which are essential for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels over time. It also helps control cravings, which plays a major role in blood sugar stability. A small portion can satisfy sweet cravings and reduce the urge to consume sugary desserts that trigger spikes. When enjoyed occasionally and paired with a balanced meal, high-quality dark chocolate becomes a smart, blood sugar-friendly option rather than a problem. Number 11. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are highly effective for stabilizing blood sugar because they are rich in soluble fiber that slows digestion and delays the absorption of carbohydrates. This helps prevent sharp blood sugar spikes and reduces sudden insulin surges after meals, keeping glucose levels more stable. They also contain omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, plant compounds that improve insulin sensitivity and reduce inflammation. Better insulin sensitivity allows glucose to move more efficiently from the bloodstream into cells where it's used for energy. In addition, flax seeds support appetite control and gut health. Their fiber promotes fullness and feeds beneficial gut bacteria involved in glucose regulation. When consumed regularly, especially in ground form, flax seeds help maintain steady energy and balanced blood sugar throughout the day. Stable blood sugar isn't about cutting everything you enjoy. It's about making smarter food choices that work with your body. When your blood sugar stays steady, your energy improves, cravings disappear, and focus becomes effortless. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who struggles with energy crashes or sugar cravings.